Mm, God. So I attempted to do that smoothly. Didn't work. So check this out. This is a part of the show where we do the buzzkill. This is where I do something stupid and I put it on um, fucking dogs. Oh my god. It's on YouTube or some shit. Tisdale. You're a good friend of mine, and I just wanted to tell you thank you for being part of my life. And that no, really, what I wanted to talk about was you know how like I always say fucking our show is like the last one to talk about a topic, and I really wanted to talk about that wiener dude for a second because it's just fucked up. And finally, everybody's done talking about it. So you know the best way to do that is to probably like fucking totally fucking put fucking pictures of me with a soda can in my pants, right? So really, he fucked it up. Like the way you do it is you're like, oh, guess what, everybody? I'm about to fucking. You guys are about to see some shit that I tweeted out to some dude, some chick. I tweeted like my dick, and I did it because fucking people fucking. That's how it's done. And so I thought, watch out. That's what it looks like with a soda can. Oh my god. Don't do that. Ultimately, fucking, this is all right. Did I tell you about fucking mussels and fucking fries? Tasty. Just tell the truth. You're fucking showing your dick to people, and they're probably gonna send their pictures of their shit to you too. This is how it does. It's 2011 and in 2012 we're all gonna die because that was the fucking worst fucking buzzkill ever. And you know what? Just fuck it. So I know that was like the inbox fucking music, but not the fucking buzzkill music because I during that whole like drama that was going on, I totally fucked some shit up, bro. That fucking track is no longer available to me. The president is still black. He might even be Muslim. If you fucking still can't deal with that, you can go fuck yourself.